Watch out! Early May 2026 might have many rainy days. Hello everyone, I'm Rubel, the definitive guide for those traveling to Japan in May 2026. I'll be sharing information about Japan's weather and what to wear in May. May in Japan is a transitional season as spring turns into early summer. During this time, the temperatures are comfortable, neither too hot nor too cold, making it perfect for enjoying the outdoors and sightseeing. However, this year, some regions require extra precautions against the heat more than usual. Plus, the latest update. From late April to early May, it might be prone to rain. Especially for those planning to visit Tokyo and Osaka, it's best to prepare for both the heat of sunny days and the chill of rainy days. Be sure to check the weather forecast before you depart. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the weather and packing tips to make your time in Japan the best it can be. Please make sure to watch until the end. First, let's look at the trends for May 2026. The biggest characteristic is the temperature difference between morning/evening and midday. While some areas get chilly at night, daytime temperatures will increasingly exceed 20 degrees Celsius, especially in Tokyo. In 2025, temperatures even rose above 30 degrees Celsius at times. Since May 2026 is predicted to be warmer than average nationwide, please prepare clothing that allows you to adjust to these temperature gaps. Also, as rainy days increase from late May into June, those traveling during this period will need rain gear. Next, let's look at detailed information by region. Around Tokyo, Saitama, Kanagawa, Chiba. In the Tokyo area, May temperatures range from about 13 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. With more warm days than April, the daytime is very comfortable. On the other hand, it can feel a bit chilly in the mornings and evenings. The basic style I recommend is layering a cardigan over a thin base layer. By the way, in 2025, there were days in late May that exceeded 30 degrees Celsius. Watch out for temperature fluctuations. Bring a light jacket that is easy to put on and take off. The weather may be poor in early May, so those planning a trip then should prepare for rain with a foldable umbrella. Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, and Hyogo share a similar climate to Tokyo, though they are slightly warmer. Temperatures are roughly between 13 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius. Early in the month, layering like in Tokyo is best, but by late May, there are many days you can spend in just a single top. However, be careful as temperatures drop sharply when it rains. Along with a foldable umbrella, a thin stole or scarf can be very handy. Those planning a trip to Kyoto need to be careful. Due to its geography, the sunlight in Kyoto feels extremely strong on sunny days. Always bring a light outer layer for protection against the heat and UV rays. It also helps against morning/evening chills and cold air conditioned indoors. Kyushu and Shikoku, Fukuoka, Kagoshima, Kochi, Tokushima, etc. It's warmer than Tokyo in May, feeling more like early summer. Temperatures range from about 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. A thin base layer with a cardigan will keep you comfortable. By late May, you might even spend the day in a t-shirt. Don't forget UV protection, as some days approach 30 degrees Celsius. This region tends to get heavy rain in late May. Choose a foldable umbrella and comfortable walking shoes for sudden rain. Keep a light outer layer ready for any sudden drops in temperature. Around Hiroshima, Okinawa, Shimane, Yamaguchi. Temperatures around Hiroshima are about 14 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius, similar to Tokyo. Daytime brings a pleasant spring atmosphere. By late May, you can often spend the day in just one top. Since mornings and evenings can be cool, I recommend bringing a light jacket or hoodie. Don't forget a foldable umbrella or a lightweight raincoat for sudden showers. Okinawa. Okinawa is already close to summer, with temperatures from 17 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Note that the clothing needed is different from the Tokyo area. In late May 2025, some days reach 34 degrees Celsius. Okinawa typically enters the rainy season in early May, characterized by more rain and humid days. Have an umbrella or raincoat ready. Because of the high humidity, breathable fabrics are recommended. On sunny days, you'll be comfortable in short sleeves, shorts, or dresses, but watch out for the strong sun. Be sure to bring sunscreen, a hat, and a parasol. Arm covers or a thin cardigan can also provide sun protection. I also recommend a light jacket to protect against strong indoor air conditioning. Okinawa has higher temperatures than other areas, so be careful of heat stroke. Stay hydrated with drinks like barley tea. Hokkaido and Aomori. In northern Japan, Hokkaido and Aomori are finally seeing spring in full swing. Temperatures are around 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Since it's cooler than other regions, an outer layer like a coat or jacket is essential. A cardigan or hoodie for easy temperature adjustment will give you peace of mind. A thin stole is useful for the morning and evening chills. Hokkaido in May is prone to extreme temperature fluctuations. In Sapporo in 2025, it hit 27 degrees Celsius in mid-May, only to drop near 10 degrees Celsius the following week. Make sure you can adjust your temperature with your inner layers. There's little worry about snow, but wear comfortable shoes like sneakers or pumps. Tohoku, Sendai, Niigata, Yamagata, etc. In Tohoku, the cherry blossoms have ended, and it's the season of beautiful fresh greenery. Temperatures are roughly 10 degrees Celsius to 17 degrees Celsius. With some days over 20 degrees Celsius, it's a mild and spring-like climate. Aim for clothing slightly warmer than what you'd wear in Tokyo. Long-sleeve shirts or hoodies are fine for daytime, but keep a fleece or sweater handy as it can drop to near 10 degrees Celsius at night. Heavy coats aren't necessary, but carrying a light outer like a mountain parka or cardigan is recommended. Rain is infrequent in this area in May, but a foldable umbrella is useful just in case. Let's quickly recap the main points. May is a season where it gets warmer and more comfortable, but mornings and evenings can still be chilly. Carry an outer layer that is easy to adjust. Also, temperatures vary by region. Be careful as Okinawa, Hokkaido, and Tokyo all have different climates. If you arrive and find it colder than expected or need extra t-shirts, hurry over to shops like Uniqlo or GU. You can find the perfect clothes for May travel there. It's okay if you don't have an umbrella. If it rains suddenly, head to a 100 yen shop or convenience store. You can buy functional umbrellas anywhere in the country. But while you're at it, why not buy a Japanese umbrella as a souvenir? My recommendation is Waterfront Jiyugaoka. Believe it or not, the entire building from the first to the fourth floor is a specialty umbrella shop. It is a unique store where you can find a vast variety of umbrellas. It will surely make even rainy days fun. If you have a chance to go to Tokyo, you should definitely stop by. What did you think? If there's anything more you want to know about Japan's climate, let me know in the comments. Earst Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye! See you!